Okay, y'all, so my silk press got old really fast because I don't press my hair. I haven't pressed my hair in over a year, so it's just like, girl, what are you doing? We're curly. So I'm gonna show y'all how I get a quick, easy style in my hair. I did a significant cut in my hair when I did my trim or when I trimmed my press because I just believe in healthy hair and shape at all costs. So yeah, let me show y'all how I'm going to style it. So I'm gonna use my Sleek and Smooth Pomade, as you can see. This is gonna be used to tame my edges when I do the style. So I'm gonna put this around my hairline to smooth it out. And I'm starting around my edges and kind of just working it up just to give it a nice sealed look. I'll see how that instantly kind of snatches it back. I'm working that up, working this through. And then I'm gonna get a comb, kind of clean up my part. Perfect. And then combing that in. When you're using this gel or any firm gel, it's always good to comb it in. That will just give you a nice smooth finish. One that looks more clean and will reduce white flakes. I'm working that gel in. Come on, sleek and smooth. It does exactly what it says. Makes your hair sleek and smooth. Okay. And now I'm gonna follow that and trace it back to where I want it to lay. And that's kind of how I want it to lay. Okay. So that's that side. This side, I kind of want it to be free. So I'm gonna just bend that and kind of swing it back like that. All right, and now in this section is where we do our cute, fun French braid. So what I'm gonna do is starting going up, I'm gonna create a French braid. So if you wanted, you can make yours extra sleek. I kind of don't care to make it real sleek, but I'm gonna put a little bit up here. Okay. And I'm gonna comb that up just a bit. And now it's time to do a French braid. Y'all ready?
If you know about French braids, they're basically the opposite of cornrows. You start with 3 strands and you pinch and add hair as you go. So if you see, I'm going from right to left, adding hair to the French braid as I go, pinching and then braiding the hair in, pinching and pulling, making sure the hair is detangled, and then braiding it in. The biggest thing is making sure you have a firm grip on the hair and smoothed it down as you add it, just so it looks consistent and it doesn't look bulky. So sometimes you'll see me go back with my finger and kind of pull through those areas to make sure it is smooth in there.
You grab the hair and you smooth it back. And smoothing it back into the French braid.
Sorry it's a little hard to see, but basically I'm continuing the process, and since my hair is short around, or just short in general, I cut into like a tapered cut. Basically I just have to make sure I'm smoothing the hair down as I take it back, just trying to make sure it doesn't pop out as I'm braiding it down. And yeah, based off your hair length, your experience might be a bit different.
So now that I'm braiding it as far as I can braid it, I'm gonna braid it upwards. You see that? And then now we kind of have like a French roll effect. So what I'm gonna do to kind of seal it in, I'm gonna tuck this in under into the hair like that. And now you can't see it. And then just to make sure it stays down, I'm gonna pin this hair up and in. And just to make sure I have the look that I want in the front, do another pin up and in. Probably one more for good luck. Another pin up and in. So now we have it secure. I'm going to just smooth this hair in.
And to be honest, y'all, it was killing me watching this video edit because I realized I did not get that piece of gel that's on my edges. So I didn't end up noticing that until I was done the video. But on the other side, there still is some gel you see near like my sideburn, but I ended up smoothing that later. But right now I'm kind of just adjusting that hump you can see from the front. And now you're going to see me do some finishing touches to make sure the back looks how I want it to look.
And it's up to you, like if you want to loosen some pieces just to create the effect that you want. I'm checking mine out from different angles. It's good. This side has a slight hump to it, so you can kind of adjust it just to kind of make it an even hump. There we go. And then if you have hairspray, you can finish it off with hairspray. So I'm gonna grab some hairspray. Just to kind of give it a nice finish. Y'all see that? Do that side, looks clean. So help hold the flyaways. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Just hold it the way that we want it to lay. Okay, it's a rainy day outside, so that's why I'm doing this, because I don't want the elements to just cause the curls to fall and things to just hang. Okay, easy peasy. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this. I'll give y'all 360. I'm gonna put on some earrings to make it kind of look more official. Updos, I do highly recommend hanging dangling earrings. Kind of just makes it all official.